Rustic log lamps. Design: use a natural log or a piece of reclaimed wood as the base. Keep the bark intact for a more rustic appearance. Shade: pair with a simple fabric or burlap shade to complement the earthy feel. Placement: ideal for cabins or rustic-themed interiors. Geometric wooden lamps. Design: create a lamp with a geometric wooden base, such as hexagons or triangles, for a modern look. Shade: use a minimalist shade, like a frosted glass or a simple drum shade, to highlight the base. Placement: perfect for contemporary or Scandinavian design styles. Stacked wood block lamps. Design: stack wooden blocks of various sizes to form the base. Each block can have different wood finishes or stains for contrast. Shade: a cylindrical shade in a neutral color works well to balance the design. Placement: great for modern or eclectic rooms, adding a playful touch. Vintage crate lamp. Design: repurpose an old wooden crate or box as the lamp base. Cut out sections for light diffusion and leave some areas open for a unique look. Shade: consider a vintage-style Edison bulb without a shade for an industrial vibe. Placement: suitable for vintage, industrial, or farmhouse decor. Tree branch lamps. Design: use a thick, sturdy branch as the lamp base, maintaining its natural curves and imperfections. Shade: a simple white shade can soften the look while allowing the branch to shine. Placement: works well in nature-inspired or bohemian spaces. DIY pallet lamps. Design: create a lamp from reclaimed wood pallets. Cut and stack the wood to form a rectangular base or a more abstract shape. Shade: use an open frame design or a woven shade to enhance the rustic aesthetic. Placement: perfect for rustic or eco-friendly decor themes. Wooden bowl lamps. Design: use a hollowed-out wooden bowl as the base. This can be a decorative bowl that serves a dual purpose. Shade: choose a light, airy shade to allow light to filter through the bowl. Placement: ideal for coastal or casual home styles. Minimalist wooden stump lamp. Design: a simple, round wooden stump can serve as an excellent base. Sanded to a smooth finish, it retains a natural look. Shade: a sleek, modern shade can elevate the design. Placement: fits well in minimalist or organic modern interiors. Artistic carved lamps. Design: look for lamps made from intricately carved wood, showcasing patterns or designs that reflect cultural artistry. Shade: a simple, neutral shade allows the craftsmanship of the base to stand out. Placement: great for adding a touch of elegance to traditional or eclectic rooms. Modular wooden block lamps. Design: create a lamp with interchangeable wooden blocks that can be rearranged or replaced for a customizable look. Shade: match the shade to your decor style, whether it's vibrant or subdued. Placement: perfect for creative spaces or children's rooms. Fostering interaction. Tips for choosing wooden table lamps. Style match: ensure the lamp style complements your existing decor, whether it's modern, rustic, or eclectic. Shade color: consider the shade color and material. Lighter shades can create a warm glow, while darker shades can add drama. Height and size: choose a lamp that fits the scale of your furniture and provides adequate lighting for the intended area. Bulb choice: select bulbs that enhance the ambience. Warm white bulbs create a cozy atmosphere, while daylight bulbs are better for task lighting. Rustic log lamps, variations, use logs of different diameters for a varied look. You can also leave some bark on the log to enhance the rustic feel. DIY tip: sand the log down to a smooth finish and drill a hole for the wiring. A simple, exposed bulb can be a striking addition. Geometric wooden lamps, design elements, experiment with shapes like cubes, pyramids, or hexagons. You can use laser-cut wood for intricate designs, customization, paint or stain the geometric pieces in various colors to create a unique, modern look. Stacked wood block lamps, texture play, mix different wood types, e.g., oak, maple, walnut, for a rich contrast in color and texture. Base options: consider a square or round base for stability. The blocks can be adhered together for a cohesive look. Vintage crate lamp, repurposing ideas, old crates can be transformed into stylish lamps. Consider using crates with unique branding or patterns. Lighting style: pair with warm Edison bulbs for an inviting glow that enhances the vintage aesthetic. Tree branch lamps, natural look, use branches that are visually interesting. Twisted or forked branches can create a sculptural effect. Shade options: a drum or bell-shaped shade can soften the light and create a cozy atmosphere. DIY pallet lamps, construction, use pallet wood to create a lamp body. You can stack the pallets or cut them into desired shapes. Finishing touches: stain or paint the pallets to match your decor style. And consider adding a decorative trim. Wooden bowl lamps, multifunctionality, use a wooden bowl lamp as both a light source and a decorative item. Fill it with decorative stones or plants for added interest. Shade design, choose a shade that allows light to filter through, creating beautiful patterns on nearby surfaces. Minimalist wooden stump lamp, simplicity, keep the design sleek and unadorned. A smooth finish enhances the natural beauty of the wood. Shade pairing, a simple white or linen shade can create a soft, diffused light that's perfect for bedrooms or living rooms. Artistic carved lamps, cultural influence, look for lamps that feature intricate carvings inspired by different cultures, e.g., African, Asian, Scandinavian, highlighting craftsmanship. Use clear or frosted shades to allow the carved details to shine through. Modular wooden block lamps, interactivity, create a lamp with removable or interchangeable blocks that can be rearranged based on mood or decor changes. Design flexibility, offer a variety of wood finishes or colors for a customizable approach. Materials and finishes, wood types, consider hardwoods like oak, walnut, cherry, and maple for durability and beauty. Softwoods like pine can be used for a lighter, more casual look. Finishes, choose from natural oils, stains, or paints. Natural finishes highlight the wood's grain, while stains can add depth of color. Sustainable options, look for reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials to create eco-friendly lamps. Lighting options, bulbs, use LED bulbs for energy efficiency. Warm white bulbs, 2700K, 3000K, create a cozy ambience, while daylight bulbs, 5000K, 6500K, are better for task lighting. Dimmers, consider incorporating a dimmer switch to adjust the brightness based on the time of day or mood. Shade materials, pair wood bases with various shade materials, such as fabric, glass, or metal, to create different lighting effects and styles. Integrating wooden lamps into home decor, creating focal points. Position wooden lamps on side tables, nightstands, or console tables to create visual interest. They can serve as conversation starters or decorative accents. Layering light, use wooden lamps in combination with overhead lighting and wall sconces for a well-lit and inviting space. Layering different